Over 3.1 million children in South Africa suffer from hunger every single day. And as Rise Against Hunger, as an organization, we plan to make an impact on that, working with corporates, working with businesses, and working with the learners behind me to honor Madiba, to offer 67 minutes of their time to pack with us. GrandWest Casino has generously contributed over 30,000 meals today.
The 3 schools that took part with GrandWest here today had an opportunity to nominate 3 ECDs to donate these meals to, and we are so very happy that we are able to help them and contribute, especially in this time of need.
It starts with the kids, letting them understand that the little bit that they can give back on a day such as this, but then every day. That's what we want from all of our youngsters.
And for these learners coming out of Bellville South where we live to come here to do something for kids that are hungry, I'm so grateful for GrandWest for that, and I appreciate everything that they do.
Because there's a lot of work, people out there and unemployed people that are going to appreciate this food that you give.
And I would like to thank GrandWest that is giving us this opportunity to feed our children.
And if we can create a caring society, and we've planted that seed today amongst our learners, to care, to not think about what you have, but to think about with what you have, what you can do for others.
I just want to say that I'm very proud that I'm helping children that don't have food outside and that I could participate in this program.
Yeah, it was great, and to know that children won't be go sleeping hungry tonight, and it was a great experience, man.
My belief is teamwork makes the dream work. So thank you, Team GrandWest.
32,000 meals packed. Absolute vibe, absolute fantastic atmosphere in this auditorium. And what a way to pay tribute to Nelson Mandela. Couldn't have been better.